So how to prevent chronic kidney disease in a patient with diabetes? So as we already know, the major cause of CKD in today's world is diabetes. So diabetes patients usually dorore ruhanti. The diabetes more heichi mane chronic kidney disease nihati habo. So it's not like that. So jodi jette bele apankara diabetes diagnose heichi. So first of all, let's come to before diabetes diagnosis. So any patient, even young patient 30 years 40 years, jodi apankara family history of diabetes achi, so you should get your blood sugars checked at least yearly once. Definitely after 50 years of age, regularly checkups for detection of diabetes. So once diabetes is detected, apankara most important kamo hochi regular follow-ups with your doctor jate diabetes is in control all the time, because apankara blood sugars lifelong similar rohibani. Apankara diet sahito apankara apana definitely lifestyle changes ani thibe, exercise karu thibe, along with that apankara medication dosage and insulin dosage both are going to change. So every monthly or 3 monthly, as prescribed by your doctor, you have to follow up with your doctor, and blood sugars have to be in control. For prevention of CKD, the most important thing is lifestyle changes. First is avoid smoking. Do not smoke, because it is directly linked to progression of chronic kidney disease, especially diabetes. Apan already diabetic ochanti mane already you have a risk factor for chronic kidney disease, so you have to be very careful about the other risk factors. Losing of weight, if you are overweight, you have to lose weight. Regular exercises, about 5 to 6 days a week, 30 to 40 minutes, at least brisk walking by normal cardio exercise, if you do not have any other cardiology problem, of course. Next is avoid painkillers. Self medication karibeni, je kichi botha hela pharmacy re gale apan nije botika neki khai dele. Never do that. Jodi jaro houchi ki khaso houchi, always show a doctor. Tanko jodi apankara already kidney roga achi kohibe je more creatinine, last creatinine ta etiki thila. So according to that, your doctor will prescribe you medications. Diet is the most important thing. Salt restriction is important. Along with that, nunia jinsho khaibeni basically. So mudi, bread, mixture, eguda avoid karibe. Extra patore nuno nei ki khaibata avoid karibe. Also animal protein ta avoid. Mutton, red meat always avoid. Even baki fish, chicken, in limited amounts, if you are not a case of CKD already, if you are only a diabetic. Also another important point is that so another most important thing is jodi apankara diabetes, along with diabetes blood pressure bhi achi. So normal patients ko kuha hue blood pressure anything less than 140 to 90 कम हेले, that is okay. But if you are a diabetic, आउ जदि आपनकर urine रे protein बाहरुची, so ideal goal blood pressure for you is about 130/80. So strict control of blood pressure is very important. So diabetes रे kidney रोगटा हुए केमती जते बेला आपनकर blood रे high blood sugars रहिबो, and when it is for a persistently long time, kidney acts like a filter. So she filter, what it does is jeta dehora opariskar jinsho achi sheta ko kadhibar kamo, and jeta darkari jinsho jemti ki protein, blood, RBC एटा को she रखी देबो, she filter out करबनी. So once ए जे blood sugars एगुडा जते बेले filter टा को damage करया को start हबो, सेते बेले protein leakage दे की start हबो. So at that time जदि आपनकर blood pressure टा भी बेसी अछि तो protein urea टा बढ़ी जिवो. So all these things, all in all, basic apankara basic je lifestyle changes that is prescribed for everybody, that is most important. Blood sugar control, and thirdly regular checkups for your kidney function as well as urine test. Thank you.